All right, quickly, I want to explain how to find, how to find the square root of large numbers. Of what? Of large numbers. Without calculator. Without what? Calculator or table. Without calculator or mathematical table. Okay? Yes, it's possible. Yeah, someone say it's not possible. Yes, it's very, very possible. No matter how large the number is. So let's pick an example. Let's assume that we are to find the square root. Maybe we are to find the square root, let's say of, let's pick a number. Let's say 12,100. Yep, I love this. Let's find the square root of 12,100. Now, solution. We are going to be using the long division method, and I'll teach you the trick you need to use. Just write 12,100. Can you see? All right, beautiful. Draw your long division line. Now, you are going to be using the prime factors of this particular number. Do you understand it now? What are prime factors? Prime factors are factors that are numbers that have just two factors, one and themselves. So, example of prime number is 2. Example is 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. So do you know what I'm going to do here? Very, very simple. Very, very what? Simple. So I'll just say, okay, what can divide 12,100? Of course, 2 can divide 12,100. 2 in 12, I'm going to get what? 6. Can you see? Now, 2 in 1, that's 0. Then 2 in 10, that's 5. Then 2 in 0, that's 0. I'm done with the first one. Now move on to the next. I can still use 2. 2 in 60, that's going to be what? 30. 2 in 5, 2. I'm going to remainder 1. Then 2 in 10, that's what? 5. So 2 cannot divide again. So what do? I use 3. 3 cannot divide. What do? I use 5. So 5 in 30, that's 6. Now 5 in 2, impossible, 0. Then 5 in 25, that's what? 5. Can you see? You make sure you do it to the lowest time. I think 5 can still divide. 5 can still divide. Let's divide again by 5. You have 5. 5 in 60, I think that's 12. Then 5 in 5, that's what? 1. Oh, 5 cannot divide again. We have to use another number. That's 11. 11 in 121, that's going to be what? 11. And finally, 11 in 11 is what? 1. So it means that the factors are what? 2 multiplied by 2, multiply by 5, then multiply by 11 and what? 11. Now, how do we now find the square root? Like I told you, it's very, very simple. So the square root of 12,100 is going to be equals to. Now, you are going to check this factor first. This is 2 times 2. You pick 1. Just pick 1. Sharp. Square root of 5 times 5. That is, we're going to pick 1, 2. That is 5. You just split them into 2. Then 11 and 11. You pick 1. 11. Then you're going to multiply 2 times 5. 10. Times what? 11. And I'm going to get what? 110. Can you see? That's how you find the square root of numbers. No matter how large the number is, you start using calculator. Stop using calculator. Bye.